Hello students, welcome to Target IS. Today I am on stage primarily introducing you one new online what you call GS plus optional batch which the institution has planned to start from the 9th of June 2021. See, you have to understand this, you have to understand how this particular what you call methodology of learning in the coming times. Why? Because in the present circumstances of the pandemic situation, it is not feasible to have an offline batch. Just to ensure that the preparation of the students preparing for 2022 and who have just now completed their college graduation examination in the month of April and May, without waiting for the situation to get what you call better, we have decided to start one new online batch starting from 9th of June 2021. Okay, so my sincere suggestion to the students who are planning to write 2022 as their first attempt of UPSC examination, please do not wait for the things to get what you call better and then start your preparation. See, in UPSC preparation, if your preparation is delayed by a month, then your goalpost shifts by a year. So already the time is May and June. So in fact, if you happen to delay your start of your preparation further, maybe beyond June or July, then definitely you are not preparing for 2022, you are preparing for 2023 in that case. So that's what I sincerely suggest. Do not waste your time waiting for the offline classes to resume. In the existing circumstances, definitely in a month or two, we do not expect the offline classes to be resumed in a full swing because the second wave is going on and most of the young generation 25 to 40 years, this is the target of the second wave. So that is the reason why we are also not very enthusiastic in starting our offline platform very soon. So with this in mind, we have decided to start a complete online platform, both GS and optional combined, from 9th of June 2021. I am here to record this video primarily trying to give you an overview of the entire course. What is the overview of the entire course? How we are planning to conduct? See, here the primary intention is to ensure that the preparation of the students, despite the fact that the classes are not conducted offline, do not get disturbed, right? So how we are planning to go? The starting on 9th of what you call June, the classes would be, online classes would be for a duration of approximately 9 months. It may be 15-20 days, maybe less, or 15-20 days, maybe more. So if it starts in June, 6 months of 2021 and 3 months of 2022. Maybe by February end or March the classes would get complete, the one which we will join on the 9th of June 2021, right? Here we ensure pan-India faculty with people who have got academic excellence in the subject that they teach is the sole criteria for selecting a particular teacher to teach at Target IS platform. So most of the, rather I would say all the teachers who are teaching different subjects to the students, they have got academic excellence in that subject, and we do not only consider their past UPSC exposure. Along with the past UPSC exposure, their academic excellence in that subject is one important criteria that is chosen to employ a person as a faculty, teaching faculty on the Target IS platform. The classes, as it is displayed, the classes would be conducted from Monday to Friday. Along with your GS, we give you 100 hours of CSAT classes, 100 hours, around 80 to 85 hours of quant part, and 20 hours of English comprehension techniques would be taught you as part of your GS platform. Once you take the GS platform along with your optional, the CSAT classes come for completely free for you. And every student is given an independent portal access for the entire duration of the course, Study material, a very important component as part of your preparation, because you are not going to be physically present here. What we try to do is the study material, we are planning to give the NCERT books, we courier the books, the NCERTs and compendiums. Other than that, the PDFs, the PPTs, the Word documents, they are all provided with an intention to support your online learning. So study material in the form of NCERTs, in the form of compendiums. Compendiums are nothing but your all-in-one series. Various very good publishers of all-in-one series are available in the market. We will give you a set of that for free at the time of your joining. All these NCERT books, the compendium books or the PDFs, the class handouts, everything we come for free for you as part of your package. Okay, and other than that, we have a dynamic doubts corner for students on the portal. Because you are not physically present in the class, we will be what you call you can share your doubts on the portal. On the doubts corner, the faculty will respond to that doubt immediately. And current affairs, a very important what you call domain while preparing for UPSC. The current affairs support would be there both in the classroom learning as well as providing you the monthly news diaries, both prelims and mains separately monthly news diaries. In the sense, monthly current affairs you will get 2 copies, one is for prelims exclusively, one is for mains exclusively. This kind of giving 2 monthly news diaries does not happen in any other institute. And lastly, we also provide you the DNDs, that is called your daily news diaries. So current affairs support in the form of daily news diaries and also monthly news diaries separately for prelims and mains, and also classroom discussion on important current affairs related concepts also happen weekly basis. Other than this, we have our YouTube channel. We take the platform of YouTube channel also to give you lot of inputs related to current topics in the current affairs. We have one exclusive channel of YouTube primarily taking the care of your weekly economic issues that are coming up. Spurti madam is doing that video. So all this is intended to give you a complete holistic what you call support in the process of your preparation, right? How to go about it? It's a very important question, because most of the students ask me, sir, if I take online what you call coaching, how should I go about it? We are trying to understand how should you go about it in this particular points. First and foremost important thing is you should have a daily routine. Why? Because you are not coming to the institution. When you are staying at home or in your hostel or in your room preparing for UPSC, it becomes slightly difficult for you to maintain a routine. So because now that the offline classes are not going to resume very soon, you have to bring in that discipline by creating a daily routine, that this is the time for me to attend to my classes, this is the time for my own self preparation. You need to make a routine of yourself. In one of the videos very recently recorded, I have given a detailed explanation of how a fresher should make his or her daily routine. A week wise what you call entire explanation has been given. You can please go through that video as well. This first and foremost thing a student should do is they should start their preparation with NCERTs. And when you are doing your NCERTs, for the time being, maybe 1.5 to 2.5 months, do not touch the newspaper. Why? Because without basic understanding of the various subjects or concepts, reading a newspaper may take lot of your time. So to avoid that kind of a situation, first try to complete your NCERTs, then only shift to newspaper reading, right? Reading of prescribed textbooks is very important. The teachers who come to teach here, they will keep telling you from time to time what are the different textbooks that have been prescribed. So you should be buying those textbooks and reading in your own time frame. And do not miss the class even for a single day, because the classes are for 3 to 4 hours every day. If you miss a class any single day, another day that amount of time of class gets added up. 3 hours may become 6 hours, 4 hours will become 8 hours, and you will find it very difficult. So to try to make an effort that you do not miss even a single class on any given day. Making of class notes. When you are listening to the online classes, presume that you are sitting in the classroom and continuously make your notes. People have this habit of just listening without writing anything, because these videos will not be available forever to you. Once the batch is over, after certain amount of time the access to these videos will be stopped. So in that case you will be in a fix. So I suggest when you listen to a video, simultaneously also make notes, right? Reading of newspaper, as I told you, once the NCERT is over, you should be reading your newspaper. Regular interaction with the mentor. Whosoever would be the mentor assigned to you, I suggest that be in regular touch with them. The right kind of mentor and mentee relationship can create wonders. So please make use of this. And current affairs we have already discussed. You need to cover the current affairs on a regular basis. What should be the routine plan and all, as I mentioned, please go through that video which I have already recorded. Okay. Next, there is one sample of a routine plan which I have given here. It is also available in that video which I have made a mention. You can see this particular sample routine plan in that video. And one more reason I wanted to talk, why I wanted to tell why we should go for choosing Target IAS. The reason why we suggest that this is a better platform. One, the quality of faculty. There is no compromise on the quality of faculty that we have hired for teaching you all guys. The adequate attention is given to three important domains: the ethics, essay and optional. You ask any what you call a successful UPSC aspirant, he says that I have been successful because I have given adequate attention to these three important dimensions, that is ethics, essay and optional. And here at Target IAS you will get very strong support in these three domains. Timely completion of course, a very important part of your preparation strategy. If the course gets delayed, your preparation also gets suffered. So here we try to complete it in time. Approachable and supportive mentorship team. Mentorship team is primarily led by me only. So we try to make an effort that whenever a student needs us, we are available to them. Okay. Timely grievance redressal. Any type of grievance you have, there are proper channels of escalation process also of your grievances. So we try to ensure that the grievances whatever a student has are addressed in a time bound manner. We have various mail IDs, support at Socin classes. You need to initiate your grievance, and if the grievance is not redressed in 24 hours 48 hours time frame, there are escalation procedures also. So the people who are responsible for redressing the grievances, they are answerable to the management for not providing a possible solution to the grievance in a time bound manner. So this is also very systematically planned. Complete current affairs support, as I already discussed. This kind of support for current affairs is generally not extended anywhere else. Responsive technical support team, because technical support, very vibrant technical support is a very important domain. Why? Because it is a complete online platform, and if you have technical glitches not addressed in time, that will definitely have a negative effect on your preparation. So we make it an effort that the technical support team is up the toes always, very responsive, and the quality of videos that you get is of very high standard, very high standards. Okay, so that is the reason why Target IAS only. This particular platform, see, students, I understand the psyche of the students. Most of the students feel that the kind of learning that happens in an offline classroom setting cannot happen in online, but I wish to say that it is not so. It is equally good platform of learning, provided you are maintaining a proper routine, being disciplined in your approach and utilizing the doubts portal effectively. If you are doing this, actually learning online is a blessing in disguise, because it saves lot of your time. Because when you come here to study, lot of your time gets wasted for your routine rudimentary works that can be taken care of when you are there at your hometown. So that is how it saves lot of your time when you are actually preparing from home, because things are at your disposal. You do not have to go to get those services. Everything is there at your hometown, in your place where you are studying, at your disposal. So it eases off lot of administrative things that you need to take care of. So with this, I would like to say that a very important and timely opportunity for all students planning to prepare for 2022. Please register yourself. Please do register yourself. You go to our site in